Hello guys, welcome back to Raj Kodem Gaming. And guys, so season 5 update finally came and season 5 battle pass also came. Uh, Here in the loading screen, the new loading screen, there is the legendary ghost character skin and many more as well. Legendary ghost character skin, then the otter Merrick, and there's Elias character skin with the legendary Locus, and ghost is holding the legendary shorty weapon. Actually yesterday, now here is the trailer of um, the season 5 battle pass. Now actually a thing happened in which Cranked confirmed you have seen new mode and Suldal Harbor new map. This is a legendary ghost, I guess. Yes, ghost, legendary ghost. It is. It's in deep water season means will be aqua themed. Rorke, so four operators. Um Obviously a cool trailer and a big one as well. Means a season trailer isn't that so much big in my opinion. Means and I am really depressed with the legendary ghost. The legend, I rather like ghost health and ghost plasma better. Means those skins are better than official trailer is just superb, guys. Really big trailer. Skip. Here is the season 5 battle pass. Uh, Let us swim actually. So you could be now guessing how my tire is 3. And to be honest, I opened the game just now today, and earlier means yesterday it happened that some devices got the season 5 update and season 5 battle pass started from yesterday itself, and officially it should be starting from today, but it started from yesterday. So today, if no anyone didn't get it yesterday, then you should definitely get it by today. And you can see the main things in the battle pass are obviously the BK57 skin is just awesome. Means I hope I was a pay to win player, but still now I won't be a pay to win. Characters are awesome. The main thing, which is the new operator skill canine unit, to be honest, this is a really useless operator skill. Means really bad as the operator skill, not a good not good at all. And CR56 AMAX is the new assault rifle. It is from Modern Warfare and even from Warzone. It is meta in Warzone, and it's gonna be OP as a gun. You can see Noah from YT or Hawk's Nest or Bobby plays playing with this gun. It's just awesome. It has some unique attachments, really unique attachments, and that's the full. And I just like the battle pass, the best battle pass skin this time. Weapon skin, I will tell you, is the PP19 Bison Devilfish. This was all about the battle pass. Now stage 2 will be live from 1st July, so it's still gonna take some time, and these are not needed. And what is this, guys? There's a new crate, I guess. Yeah, who will buy this skin? Okay, so let us see the things actually. Now in events, okay, it's a really cool event section. Now we are gonna get Terence Brooks character skin in the featured event. Now it is okay, the Type 25 is just awesome, I think so. It looks really cool in my opinion. And in seasonal events, these are just normal gun skins. And the new green part Guang Ho, you can grind it by doing these missions. Actually this uncommon skin looks good, actually, not gonna lie. Guang Ho. Oh my god, this quadrate looks so cool, guys. This time rare skins are actually good. I will tell that. And I think, and in mid season, I think they will release this AK-117 epic blueprint. And let us see what is in the daily crates, what we are getting. Oh my god, graveyard crates. I already have the trophy, and I just need the baseball bat and the AK-47, obviously. And for the monthly login, guys, it's gonna be Bathysphere this time. Oh gosh, this skin looks so cool, guys. Guys, this time uncommon skins are kind of great skins, I won't lie. So main reward, the name is 10,000 Leagues Bathysphere. It's OP character. You can just see how cool this character looks like. Means its OG was released in season 9 in crates. Later it was again released in bundles, but both were pay to win. Now it is F2Ps. Now let us see what is new. 13 things have arrived. So this is the full set of free soldier rewards we are getting. From left it is Terence Brooks. Then there are the middle one is Bathysphere, the daily login, and beside the left side is the red color scout 2 and right side is the white color scout 2, grey scout 2. Now these both skins will be there in the event, like any community event, like in season 12 you got Knights Divided event, 2 elite PMCs, and then again in season 1 we got Russian mark events, and again then we got Charlie events. So like that we will get scout 2 events as well, and this time obviously red team will win because the blue team character won't be that great, it's just white color. And then it's the special ops 4 skin at the last. Now let us see what is new. So ICR1 gun new blueprint came. It is there in the credit store. I think I will purchase it. New maps, Suldal Harbor and Anaya Incursion. No, it's docks. Yes, it would be most probably docks. It's a gunfight map. So we will wait. New operator skill K9 unit. New weapon CR56. Okay, so now ASM10 is buffed. Locust is buffed. Bison is nerfed. Bison is really a imbot gun, to be honest. And it has the lowest recoil in the SMG category. And Quacks are obviously needed one nerf because it's really OP. And it's season 5 legendary ghost character skin. It's not that great as I told you. Now clan, let us see. Okay, so clans have reset. Actually rookie 5, no one has done anything till now, but okay, I will do the clan missions now. Now let us see. Okay, I will build my own team afterwards. So let's buy the thing from credit shop. Actually, let me see the skin first. I haven't even seen the skin. Is it great or a really bad skin? I don't know. This looks like good to me, but should I buy it? Okay, I will think of it later. This looks like a rank reward. Guys, this looks like a rank reward parachute skin. Okay, so I will make up my mind later. So this was all about the new changes in season 5, and slowly new things will come. The shotgun will also come in seasonal events. So take care guys, be safe and enjoy season 5 of COD.